He's not coming. He said he quit. I'm gonna run the register.
Hagan, no. We talked about this.
I'm short-handed, Walter. What am I to do? Walter? What am I to do?
Hey, Mr. White. Make those tires shine, huh?
Oh my God. You would not believe he's cleaning Chad's car. Mr. White. From chemistry.